Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 2, and y equals 2. The second point has x equals 20, and y equals 22.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 2 to x equals 20, the run is 18. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 2 to y equals 22, the rise is 20.
Slope is rise divided by run, 20 over 18, which simplifies to 10 over 9. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values, slope is 10 over 9, x1 is 2, and y1 is 2.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.